Hey guys, Yinzer coming back to you with another haul video. I found on Facebook this morning that there was a yard sale about 5 minutes from my house. So I went out. I didn't know if there was going to be much there because they had it yesterday also. So I thought, man, it's probably all picked over. But hey, you never know. Sometimes Sundays are good ones because they just want to get rid of it. They don't want to package it back up. So I went out. I was there for about 10 minutes and I found some good stuff. So I'm going to show you real quick what I found. I didn't film there because I don't like filming on people's property sometimes, especially it felt weird. So, but I'm going to show you what I found. All this stuff will be listed in our eBay store, hopefully by the time this video goes up. So if you're interested in anything, hit us up, email below, Instagram, let us know if you want something and we can work out a deal. So I found a lot of 5 of these books. They are the Haynes General Motors books for different vehicles. That one's for the General Motors. This one's for Mitsubishi. This one's for Mazda. Mitsubishi Eclipse. And another General Motors. Paid $1 for each of these, so I had $5 into that. Next thing I found was 2 of these. They are upside down. They are cutting boards. They are made with 100% Pennsylvania beach hardwood. So it says Lake Erie Wine Country on it. It'd be a nice cheese or wine board, brand new, still wrapped up. So they were made from a company out in Johnstown, Mountain Molding. Picked these up for $1 each. Thought that wasn't a bad pickup for $1 each. The other thing I got, and I might actually have to show it. Oh, I guess I flipped it up. Was this box. And it is full of power adapters. There's a DC fast charger, but the rest is all power adapters. So I'm not even sure how many are in here. I ended up getting, I'm not even sure what all else is even in here, to be honest with you. I think it is mostly all power adapters. I think I have to go through it, figure it out. Some of them might go in the trash. Most of them will be listed on eBay though. But I paid $5 for this box. And there's a good bit in here. It looks like there's some not race car, like RC car adapters. Here's a Panasonic one for a telephone. So there's a bunch of different ones in here, and I will go through. Normally what I do is I put in the model number, and that way it tells me what charger's actually for. So that's it, guys. That's all we have for you on this one. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification. Keep picking. Bye.